everyone. This is the first in a series of videos that I'll be making on retirement income and estate planning, and it is titled Understanding Probate in Ontario. I get questions about probate all the time from my clients, and the first step in understanding probate is understanding the role of the will, which of course is a legal document that lets everyone know what you want to happen to your assets after you pass away. Well, the probate process basically validates the will and makes sure that the executor has the authority to manage the deceased estate. It also makes sure that any debts are paid, any taxes owing are paid, and in so doing, it makes sure that the beneficiaries and the executor are protected. When's probate needed? Well, if you have accounts with financial institutions, a probated will is generally necessary for those institutions to release assets to the executor, who will then release them to the beneficiaries. What's the first step? Well, the first step is filing an application with the court that includes a will, a list of assets, and of course the fee. And then the courts will issue what's called a certificate of appointment of estate trustee. And this is the certificate that grants the authority to the executor to manage the deceased's estate. Once the executor has that, and again, making sure that all debts and taxes are paid, he or she can distribute the remaining assets to the beneficiaries based on the directives in the will. How are fees calculated? Well, fees are calculated based on the value of the assets in the estate. And in Ontario, the percentage that's paid is 1.5% over $50,000. Some assets may not actually need to be probated, and those assets would include anything that is held jointly or anything that has a beneficiary designation, like an RRSP. Anyway, if you have additional questions, you can visit my website at wealthplancanada.ca, or you can email me directly at g.deluca@wealthplancanada.ca. Thanks for watching, everyone.